for that crapping.
So here we are again.
I don't like steaming.
So ito na nga, we're eating. Kusa-kusa lang kami, ano-ano na yung ginagawa namin. For
Crapping.
his contentment in vlog. Kasi gusto niya daw maging vlogger, so support, Ben.
Hello guys, today we're making Korean kimchi soup. We're already cooking it, so you don't have to wait for the 1 hour.
So mag-making kami ni Balut. We have 2 bowls. And
cheese. Mama, what's it for?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
What's it for? Taste test. Taste test.
Chow.
Mama, can you mix? Cold.
Gobe.
Mama, can you mix
Let me
mine?
try some.
You should try this at home.
Yeah. Super duper. Yeah.
Cheese?
Kimchi.
That's for me. Yeah, you like kimchi. You like that?
But so yummy. You should try it.
I like that
I'll put
fish cake.
the
Try the fish cake. It's so yummy.
ingredients na the last part.
Good idea.
Alam nyo, yung time namin dalawa is I think mga 6 PM kasi nasa taas na ako, tapos na ako kayod from 5 to 6 or 5 to 6 AM. Gising na ako, tsangge na. So 6 PM kahit pagod, gusto ko mag-vlog dahil yan ang gusto ng Batuts. So ito lang yung quality time namin.
Am I know who inspired me? Who? Mr. Beast.
Ito.
Giving away food and money to other people.
Mm.
And making expensive challenges. Challenges.
And, by the way, hindi kami lagi nagpo-process food. Siguro twice a week na lang. Kasi, syempre, alam niyo na yung panahon ngayon. Yeah, tinuturo ko sa kanya yung CKD. Yung pinapasok na, ayun ba? Tubo. Yan, kasi takot siya. So, siya na din nagsasabi sa akin na hindi siya mag-hotdog, hindi siya lagi magsa-soft drinks. At least, aware siya sa kung ano mangyari. Pinapakita ko sa kanya yung mga tao na may someone is getting my food. Guys, super sarap.
I like the cheese. Not I put it in seaweed. Yummy. I put it in seaweed. Not put it in seaweed.
Nag-hotdog kami today kasi siguro sa 1 month, twice lang kami nag-hotdog. May mga lahat ng processed food, cans. Nabawal ko si Batuts. And, aware naman si Batuts dahil natatakot din siya. Basta, ha!
Oh.
Ito lang yung time namin dalawa. We're together. Kasi minsan, siyempre social media, kasi na din siya sa laro niya. Right, baby?
And then I
And
sometimes
then,
post.
yeah. And then, magkaklase na din.
2 times harder. But paying money for the school is more harder.
Dinig niyo yun? Ano yan?
Paying money for the school is more harder. Because I'm in private school.
Yeah. Alam niya yan. Lahat sinasabi ko yan sa kanya. Kaya, study, paying harder, and study
Hard.
hard.
Mga na, ha?
Yeah.
Mukbang.
Yeah, nagmumukbang kami. Watch out kayo guys, lagi na kami magbumukbang.
Ano lang?
I mean, lagi ko naman pupunta na mumukbang kami. Outside, here.
What the fuck? Oh. You know, like cheese ko. I want more.
So, ubus na sa kanya.
More.
But he wants more.
I see but yummy.
Yeah.
Mamaya na try seaweed.
Yeah, i-try na.
Oh, then I put the soup on. Naman over na, oh. Oo, naman na.
Diba?
Naman na,
Diba?
oh, cannot give me. More.
Okay.
More. Naman na, oh.
Guys, super sarap. Mas pasarap pa sa gawa mo na lagi kami.